The LG V20 is a hit, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone SE for, Verizon Prepaid. So the new iPhone SE is now at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get a compact iPhone, the new iPhone SE is worth checking out. So Verizon Prepaid has in three colors: black and white or red. The storage options are 464 gigs for $399. 128 gigs for 49 minimum, or 256 gigs, 549 alright. So you do have three storage options to choose from. Of course, there's the phone. Let us know what the phone looks like. Also, you just have the earpiece, phone facing camera, power button, touch ID, volume keys, and the sound switcher here. And this is actually from my hand, virtual camera, camouflage, and stuff like that. Here's the back of the iPhone SE camera. This is a microphone right here, and you have the Apple logo. Let's find the volume keys and the sound switcher. Back of the phone again, that's the camera camouflage. And there's the phone in three colors: black and white or red. So it's pretty nice. So it says that iPhone SE is the most powerful 4.7-inch iPhone ever, featuring A13 Bionic, the fastest chip in the smartphone, for incredible performance in apps, games, and photography, portrait mode, or studio quality portraits and 6 lighting effects. Next generation Smart HDR for incredible detail across highlights and shadows, cinematic quality for video, and all the advanced features of iOS. The phone better life and water resistance. It's so much of the iPhone you love in a not so big size. Verizon's flexible prepaid plans gives you the freedom to pay with what you want and when you want it. Freedom from any contracts. Activation fees, and credit check. So that's all one right there. So you get up to 13 hours of usage time, a 12 megapixel rear camera, 2.65 inches in width, and 5.45 inches. 2.65 inches in width and 5.45 inches in height. There. It says lots to love, lots to spend. iPhone SE packs the most powerful chip into the most popular size iPhone at the most affordable price. This is what you've been waiting for. Altogether beautiful. This is brilliant 4.7-inch Retina LCD display, speed and security of Touch ID, water resistance for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, and all in a slim white design. It says iPhone 11 Pro quality. It wants its chip back. It says A13 Bionic is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Period. Launch apps, play games, and more, all with blazing speed. Smart gun portrait mode. The advanced camera system with the A13 Bionic enables portrait mode. Actually, placing the subject. It says here, artfully placing the focus on the subject, even for selfies. It says high high definition. 4K videos means 4 times the detail of Full HD, and quick takes allows you to start recording video in credit mode by just holding the shutter. So pretty cool. Just binge watch the battery life. The share must go on, so iPhone actually lets you watch up to 13 hours of video on a single charge. Privacy is built in. Apple products are designed to protect your privacy and give you control of your information. It's not always easy, but that's the kind of innovation Apple believes in. So the iPhone SE 2020 has LTE Advanced. This is a 4G phone, not 5G. So you'll get 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 CDs from coast to coast. Usage time 13 hours. Camera, a 12 megapixel camera. Weight 5.22 ounces. Width 2.65 inches. The height is 5.45 inches. The screen size 4.7 inches. Retina HD. This is an LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology. Built-in rechargeable battery. Apple. You have iOS 13. Black and white and product red. 64 gigs. 128 gigs to 256 gigs. Digital internet compatibility. Networking. Also the HD voice. Which will let you experience HD voice and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere users have a Wi-Fi connection. Available on iOS 9.3 or higher. If you guys need help with your iPhone, Verizon is here to help you with that. So it says that Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. And what you're going to get in the box is the iPhone SE with iOS 13, AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, and documentation. So you send this stuff in the iPhone box, so nothing special there. So there you guys have it. So if you guys are looking to get a compact iPhone, the iPhone SE 2020 is worth checking out. Verizon Prepaid has it in their colors, black and white or product red. It's available in 3 storage options: 64 gigs for $399, 128 gigs for $449, or 256 gigs for $549.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you have me out a lot, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.